Hey everyone, welcome back. Does the Klarna app work fine on mobile data but continuously fails or completely fails on Wi-Fi, showing a connection error or just spins endlessly? Here's the fix from your iPhone settings. Go to your settings app, tap on Wi-Fi, find your connected network at the top with the blue check mark, tap the letter I in a circle next to your network's name, then tap forgot this network and confirm it. Now, toggle the Wi-Fi at the very top off and then wait for about 10 seconds, then turn it back on. Your network will reappear. Tap on it and enter your password to reconnect completely fresh. This clears a broken session that were causing Klarna's connection to fail specifically on that network. After reconnecting, try Klarna again. If it still fails on this Wi-Fi, go to settings again, go to general, then scroll down to VPN and device management and make sure no VPN is showing as connected. Since Klarna's fraud detection blocks connections through VPN addresses in some regions, some corporate and universities network also blocks financial app domains. Try your home Wi-Fi or mobile data if you're on restricted network. So all you gotta do is go to settings, Wi-Fi, forget and reconnect fresh. Check for an active VPN and try a different network if you're on restricted one. Klarna will be connected and that's it. Subscribe.